This video explores carrier dynamics in solid-state devices, focusing on mobility, diffusion, and how these factors influence semiconductor performance. In thermal equilibrium, carriers are in constant random motion due to thermal energy. The movement is chaotic, resulting in a net current of exactly zero. Applying an electric field forces carriers to drift in a specific direction. This process engineers the chaos into a measurable current. Mobility defines the ease of carrier drift. It's mathematically defined as the average particle drift velocity per unit of electric field. Mobility is governed by two key physical mechanics: the mean free time between collisions and the effective mass of the carrier. Higher time means higher mobility, while higher mass means lower mobility. Conductivity dictates the bulk material behavior, relating current density to the electric field. This forms the basis for Ohm's law within the material. Total conductivity accounts for the dual participation of both electrons and holes, considering their respective concentrations and mobilities. Crystal imperfections cause scattering, which restricts flow. At high temperatures, lattice scattering dominates, while impurity scattering is prominent at low temperatures. Temperature shifts the dominant scattering mechanism. At low temperatures, slower carriers are susceptible to ionized impurities. At high temperatures, thermal vibrations dominate. Matheson's rule describes the system bottleneck. When multiple scattering mechanisms occur, the one causing the lowest mobility throttles the material's overall behavior. High field effects break down Ohm's law. At very high electric fields, the drift velocity hits an upper saturation limit, transferring energy to the lattice instead of increasing carrier velocity. This graph visualizes velocity saturation. The ohmic region shows linear proportionality, but at higher fields, the drift velocity enters a saturation region. Mobility can be measured experimentally via the Hall effect. By measuring the Hall coefficient and sample resistivity, the mobility can be calculated. The Einstein relation bridges drift and diffusion. If mobility is known, the diffusion coefficient can be instantly calculated using the mathematical relationship d over mu equals k, t over q. This flowchart summarizes the carrier dynamics ecosystem, showing the interplay between external factors and material properties that govern total bulk conductivity. The fundamental directives of carrier flow state that mobility and conductivity are key metrics. Flow is restricted by temperature and impurity scattering, and Ohm's law is capped by velocity saturation. Finally, drift and diffusion are linked by the Einstein relation. Thank you for watching this video on carrier dynamics, mobility, and diffusion.